Welcome. In this video, we'll learn a quick way to format the bib file so that it can look more professional. Here I have one sample bib file, this one, and this is in very unorganized way. We can see here equal signs are not aligned. I want to align all the equal signs. Also, there is irregular spacing between the two bib data. Somewhere it is single spacing, somewhere it is double. Somewhere there is no spacing. In addition, there is a problem of duplication. For example, this one. This is repeated at this place. Since this bib file contains a large data, large entries, so there are some other chances that this file contains some other duplications. We can very easily format in a very quick time. Just copy all. Go to Google. Type BibTeX Tidy. Go to first option, online BibTeX Tidy. Clean up BibTeX files. I have already. Paste here. Then go to right panel. First option is indent. Choose first one. We can see that alignment problem has been solved. We can change the spacing. White space. Insert blank lines between two entries. We can remove or we can add. Alright. Also, there are some other options. We can enclose the values in braces, curly brackets. For example, in one entry, here is not inside the braces, curly brackets. If we choose this one, then all entries will be in the braces. Duplicates. In the down, we can see that some information. There are two duplicates which have been found. One is with this name and other one is with this name. So there are two duplicates with the matching keys. If you want to find the duplicates with the DOI, then you can choose this one. But this one is okay with this name. Now we can merge the duplicates. Either we can combine the duplicates, we can overwrite, we can keep the first one only, or we can keep the last one. I'll combine, reset tidy. So now you can see that duplicate has been removed. See, all the duplicates have been removed. We can also remove the specific field, but I don't need. In the last, we can sort with the name of key. So all the entries will be sorted according to the alphabet. If I write here author, then it will be sorted out according to the author. Now see, first number comes. If we have used, then alphabet A, B, C, D and so on. Once you are done, just copy all, Control A, or from here copy, and then go to your bib file, remove the original one and paste your new one. Here, except the alignment of equal signs, everything is perfect. Whenever we view this file in the Text Studio, then we cannot see the alignment of the equal signs. Then for this, we can go to options, configure Text Studio, then go to editor, this one. We need to use mono spaced fonts. Check this. Any font now you can use. I'll use this one. Alright, now alignment we can see in the equal signs. So that's all. Thanks for watching.